State Police 911, what's your emergency? You're calling in a wrong way driver? They're in the westbound lanes, but they're going eastbound? Okay, and can you tell me what kind of vehicle it is? Jason? Westbound 96 near Telegraph, we've got one eastbound in the westbound lanes. Can you bring it up?
Hey Marco, look like we found the wrong way driver going westbound. Yeah, we got him on camera. Like he's going eastbound in the westbound lanes and the local lanes on 96.
Here in the Metro Region, we're very fortunate that we have an operations center that houses both MDOT operations and also our Detroit Regional Communications Center. So as the calls come in for wrong way drivers right from our troopers or right from the public, they're able to just basically talk over across a wall to tell MDOT that we have a wrong way driver. We've seen it, we need to get it up on the camera.
So what's unique about this protocol is that typically our operators have to have some sort of visual verification that an incident actually is occurring. Whether that's from our cameras overhead. The unique part about this is as soon as we hear about it, we're allowed to message on the digital message signs. That way giving the motorist instantaneous notification and giving them enough time to respond.
Imagine just driving at a freeway speed and next thing you know you see a set of headlights. So you're driving down the roadway in the left lane and there comes this car right at you. That's a big thing that we always talk about, and another reason not to travel in the left lane and use that just for passing is a majority of the time these wrong way drivers actually think they're in the right lane to travel going the right direction, which actually is the wrong direction in the left lane of travel. These collisions are horrific every time. It's almost a guaranteed fatality for not one of the passengers, but maybe everybody in the entire crash. So it's very important that we try to eliminate these the best we possibly can.
What MDOT's doing to try to curb some of this wrong way driving is we've lowered the bottom height on the wrong way and do not enter signs. We're also installing red reflective panels on those signs to help enhance the visibility. And in order to guide the driver into the correct lane, we're also installing yellow pavement markings to help guide them onto that correct ramp. On areas that we know that are kind of repeat offenders of wrong way drivers, we're also installing some lane separator systems to help physically block that entrance onto the wrong way ramp. Also up along the ramps we have red delineation that hopefully when drivers see the red they know that red means stop and that they are entering the wrong way. We're also installing on all the ramps in the Metro Region wrong way arrows, which are large pavement markings that help further emphasize the fact that you're going the wrong way.
Working with MDOT, with our troopers out there looking for these wrong way drivers, trying to mark these intersections a little bit better, using more advanced technology as far as using our digital signs to warn drivers.
So as a motorist, if you do see this sign, the best message we can give is not to panic. Just be aware that we have received notification that there is a wrong way driver. If you see it coming, act accordingly.
If you do see someone coming from you, the best advice again, stay out of the left lane. As you come up there, don't immediately just jerk and swerve the wheel because you may have a vehicle that's in the lane next to you. You want to start to do some controlled braking, slowly turn that wheel, look around and get the guy out of that guy's way. Make sure you get out of the lane first, let that person go by, and then that's when you give us that call and we'll get out there and try to get that person stopped.